Welcome to the Math Online Tutor. This is the last part of the exercise 1.2 of chapter 1, relation and function. This video I included question number 10, 11 and 12. If you directly come to this part, please watch first other part I posted. Okay, then we can start the next question. This is the 10th question. Let A equal to r minus set to 3 and b equal to r minus set to 1. Consider the function f from a to b defined by f of x equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3 is 1 1 on 2. Justify your answer. So you check this is 1 1 on 2. So here f of x equal to x2 x minus 2 by x minus 3. Okay, so we can take for all x1 comma x2 belongs to a domain and f of x1 is equal to, so here replace x by x1. Okay, x1 minus 2 by x1 minus 3 and f of x2 equal to x2 minus 2 by x2 minus 3. Then f of x1 equal to f of x2. What is f of x1? x1 minus 2 by x1 minus 3 equal to f of x2 equal to x2 minus 2 by x2 minus 3. Okay, so you cross multiply these two, you cross multiply this and this, you multiply. Okay, and this implies x1 minus 2 into, multiply this, x2 minus 3 equal to x2 minus 2 cross multiply x1 minus 3. Okay, then you remove the bracket. So you multiply this x1 x2 x1 x3 like this. Okay, so x1 into x2 x, this implies x1 x2, then x1 into minus 3 x1 minus 2 x2 minus 2 x2 minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6 equal to x2 into x1 into minus 3 minus 3 x2 minus 2 into x1 minus 2 x1 and minus 2 minus 3 plus 6. Here listen, here x1 x2, this also x1 x2, that is x2 x1 are same, these two are same, and 6 and plus 6 and plus 6 are same. So this both the term cancel, this term also cancel. Okay, so this implies the remaining terms minus 3x1 minus 2x2 equal to minus 3x2 minus 2x1. This implies, so you keep x1 one side and x2 other side. So x1 you can keep here. So the first, so this x1 here keep and this x2 here keep. So this x2 you can take this side. Okay, this 2x1 you take this side. So minus 3x1 So this minus 2 take this side, plus 2x1 equal to, this you keep here, minus 3x2. So this minus 2x2 you take this side, plus 2x2. Okay, and we can simplify that one, this one. So here minus 3x1 plus 2x1, here minus 3x2 plus 2x1. So this implies minus x2 equal to minus x1. So minus x1 you take this side, okay, and minus x2 you take this side. So x1 plus x1, this implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is 1 1 function. Okay, next is onto. So for every y, okay, so for every y belongs to so next is what? Onto. Okay, for every y belongs to B is codomain. Okay, this y equal to what? F of x. So this step is very important. So y equal to, what is f of x? F of x equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. Clear? We check this, x minus 2 by x minus 3. Okay, then here is a very important, this y equal to, so this expression you write in terms of x. So this you write in terms of x, that is make to subject x. So here first you are cross multiply this y into, so y into denominator x minus 3 equal to numerator x minus 2. So here remove the bracket, y into x, xy, y into minus 3 3y equal to x minus 2. So here listen, so this you keep x you take this side and y you take this side. Okay, so xy, so x you take this side, minus positive x becomes negative x equal to, then minus 2 here, minus 2, then this you take this, plus 3y. Okay, so x here common, so you take the x, okay, then put the bracket y, x into y minus 1 equal to, positive you write first, 3y minus 2. Okay, so x equal to, so you divide by this, x equal to 3y minus 2 by y minus 1. So this implies, sorry, what? X equal to 3y minus 2 by what? Y minus 1. Y minus 1. This is a x. Then there exists an element x equal to, what is x? 3y minus 2 by y minus 1 belongs to A is domain domain such that f of x equal to, what is f of x? X minus 2 by x minus 3. Here is a very important, this x is replaced here. Okay, here both, here x you write, here also x you write. Okay, therefore f of x equal to, this x is you write 3y minus 2 by y minus 1, then minus 2. Okay, then this x becomes, okay, divide by, then this x becomes 3y minus 2 by y minus 1 minus 3. Okay, then you cross multiply, this you take cross multiply, this also cross multiply. Okay, you can, here you write, there is a place, equal to 3y minus 2 into this you cross multiply here, this you cross multiply here, minus 2 into y minus 1 all divided by y minus 1 all divided by this, divided by here 3y minus 2 minus 3 into this y minus 1 divided by y minus 1. This y minus 1, this y minus 1 you can cancel. This is equal to, so here 3y minus 2, then you minus 2 you multiply, minus 2 into y, minus 2y, then minus 2 into 1 plus 2 all divided by, then here 3y minus 2, then here 3 minus 3y into y, minus 3 into y minus 3y, then minus 3y into plus 1 plus 3. Okay, then we can write here this equal to minus 3y, then sorry 3y minus 2y y, then minus 2 plus 2 you can cancel, so here numerator only y, divided by 3y minus 3y you can cancel, then minus 2 plus 3 by 1. Okay, so y by 1, so that is equal to, what is f of x equal to what? Y. Therefore f is onto or surjective function. Okay, and therefore f is 1 and onto function. So f is both 1 and 1 This is the 11th question. This is a multiple question also. That f from R to R defined by f of x equal to x raised to 4. Choose the correct answer. A is f is 1 on 2, B is f is many 1 on 2, and C is f is 1 but on 2, and D is f is neither 1 nor on 2. So this is a multiple choice questions. Okay, so suppose we can draw this one, range this domain, okay, R, and this codomain. Okay, so mapping is fourth power, 1 is 1 cube, so you take this one 0 cube, 0 raised to 4 0, 1 raised to 4 1, minus 1 raised to 4 also 1, so you can take a root 2 raised to 4 4. Okay, minus root 2 also 4. Okay, then you take 2 is mapping to 16, 2 raised to 4 16, minus 2 also what, minus 2 raised to 4 16. So in this case the 0 is mapping to 0. The image of 1 and minus 1 same map, same what, 1. Okay, then root 2 and minus root 2 also mapping to 4, same 4. Okay, 4. Then 2 and minus 2 also mapping to 16. So this not 1 function. Clear? And here listen, all the mapping of all images of what domain is always the non-negative real numbers, that is 0 1 2 3 4 etc etc etc, that is all positive real numbers including 0, that is non-negative real numbers. That means here minus 1 no pre-image, minus 2 no pre-image, etc etc. Okay, that means this not onto also. Clear? So this f is what, not 1 1 nor onto, that is f is neither 1 1 nor onto. This is a D is the answer. Okay, so how to write this one? Clear? So first 1 1. So for you can write, for x1 is equal to minus 1 you take, and x2 equal to 1 belongs to R domain. Okay, and f of x1 equal to x1 raised to 4 equal to minus 1 raised to 4 equal to 1, and f of x2 equal to f what, x2 raised to 4, x2 we can rub this one. Okay, x2 raised to 4 equal to 1 raised to 4 equal to 1. Then f of x1 equal to f of x2. Okay, that is equal to x1, this implies x1 raised to 4 equal to x2 raised to 4. This implies what, minus 1 raised to 4 and 1 raised to 4, that is minus 1 raised to 4 equal to 1 raised to 4 equal to 1. Both are equal, but minus 1 not equal to 1. This implies x1 not equal to x2. Therefore f is not 1 function. Okay, 1 function. Clear? Then next onto. Next is onto. Okay, onto function. For this one, for every y equal to, you can take minus 2, belongs to R, that is codomain. Then there exists an element x equal to some 2 belongs to R is domain such that f of x equal to what, x raised to 4. What is x equal to? 2 raised to 4 equal to 16. This 16 is not equal to minus 2. What is minus 2? Minus 2 is a y, so that is not equal to y. That means f of x not equal to y. Okay, therefore f is not onto. Okay, and hence f is neither 1 nor onto function. Okay, therefore our answer is D. Clear? This is the 12th question. Let f from R to R be defined as f of x equal to 3x. Choose the correct answer. F is 1 onto, B f is many 1 onto, f is 1 but not onto, and D f is neither 1 nor onto. Okay, so you first check this 1. Okay, so for that one, for all x1 comma x2 belongs to R is domain. Okay, then f of x1 equal to 3x1 and f of x2 equal to 3x2. Okay, then f of x1 equal to f of x2. This implies 3x1 equal to 3x2. So here listen, 3 both side common, you can cancel it that one. Okay, this implies x1 equal to x2. Therefore f is 1 function. 1 function. Okay, then next you have to show onto. Okay, onto or not. So therefore for every y belongs to R means codomain, then this y equal to what? F of x. Okay, then what is f of x? F of x equal to 3x, that is y equal to 3x. Okay, then this is right in terms of what? X, that is x equal to, so here cross multiply y by 3 equal to x, that is x equal to y by 3. Okay, then there exists x equal to y by 3 belongs to R is what? Domain such that f of x equal to what? 3y. Okay, f of x equal to 3x. F of x equal to 3x. Then this x is, what is x? X here substitute. Okay, so that is equal to 3 into what is x? X is y by 3. Okay, clear? Then this 3 and 3 you can cancel, that is equal to y. So f of x equal to y. So if f is onto, then you can write f of x equal to y. Therefore f is onto function. Okay, and hence f is both 1 and onto function. Okay, so what is our answer? Answer is what? 1 f is 1 1 on 2. So A is the correct answer. Okay.